Here's how to do this set. First, our main color, Reception. It's a super sheer, yellowy, silver fine glitter gel polish. Yes, we are going to encapsulate gel polish. We're going to treat it like glitter. Then we have Light Elegance's glitter gels in Ice Cream You Scream and Appletini. I've already created a thin extension, short almond using natural fiber and based on one step. And I'm going to start with Reception. But I'm not going to fully cover the nail except for the one I'm blinging out. I do go in with the second layer because the color is sheer. Next, we pick up a bead of Ice Cream You Scream and just spread it randomly across the reception tracks. The bling nail is going to get a few layers of reception only, so we will skip that nail. I'm going to take a moment to apologize for the bad focus. The glitter just messes with the camera. I'm sorry. Then I add iridescent flakies of a similar color. I love flakies. Flakies add depth and dimension, and I just like them, so I just eat them everywhere and anywhere, and they stick to everything and anything, even you. Then comes the Appletini, and I just fill in any empty spaces. Appletini is iridescent and sheer, and it has a slight gold shift, so it does fit with the design. At this point, you can add more or less of what you want to pop before you encapsulate, but I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate. I use one step, personally, because it's very runny, and I can do it quickly. I just follow the basic technique for applying gel. I put down a slip layer, grab a blob, and travel it down the nail. I also flip the nail upside down to gather the gel in the middle, because I don't want to file too much afterwards, and I have other things to do. Here I'm just straight up capping the gel polish like I would a regular nail. I treat gel polish like glitter. It adds no to minimal strength, so I make up for it in the encapsulation stage. The nails actually look pretty awesome buffed, filed, and shaped, but I can't wear matte nails. The gems are actually applied off screen. But here is the finished result. I used Crystal Shimmer for the bling because the blue coating and the yellow tint of the gem match the nails perfectly. These nails sparkle on their own, but I want bling. Mind you, you can probably mix these glitters on your own, and you don't need to use these exact glitters. This is what I have, so this is what I chose to do. Nonetheless, I hope this video served as inspiration. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.